Come along and sing with me. Today we'll learn the letter F happily.
F is for fish, swimming in the sea.
F is for frog, jumping with glee. F is for
Fan spinning around.
F is for fox, running on the ground.
F is for flower, fresh and bright,
Blooming softly in the sunlight. Big F, small f, let's write today. Learning new letters is fun to say.